News story from Wichita, Kansas. They find birds have gotten into their vent. So we hired an engineer, Eric Kivett, one of the greatest engineers from Spirit Aerosystems here in Wichita, Kansas, is here to save the poor little birds. We're going to come to you live with Don Gribble here at the scene. They can hear you.
Before Eric got on scene, it was me, a lawyer. They asked, how do we get the birds out? I don't know.
Is that all you got?
That's all I got, man.
Well, what were your ideas? What were you thinking of?
I thought about putting a garden hose down there and flooding them out. Well, actually, my first thought was to burn them out.
That makes sense.
To burn them out, but that seemed a little cruel.
Well, heat rises, so it probably would have pushed them up before it hurt them, right?
Well, and they do fly.
No, they're babies. They don't know anything about flying.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway, we brought Eric in, and I've given Eric every tool that I have. See the array of tools. I mean, who couldn't get the birds out with this array of tools?
Let's see, we have a Phillips screwdriver, a dull knife,
Red duct tape.
red duct tape.
Thank you.
What's that over there? No duct tape.
Nothing.
We got a magnet. What's that? Another Phillips screwdriver.
No, that's a blade.
Oh, well, that's a Phillips, and that's a Phillips. No. We gotta have two. We have
And
birds.
we've got birds laser.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got birds coming out of the wall here in Wichita, Kansas. Coming to you live.
Eric, push. It's almost over.
Oh no.
Oh man, this stinks.
Well, they've been cooking in there for about.
Come on,
how long
guys.
now?
Come on.
Come on, birdies. Coming to you live. Eric, how's it feel to be in there right now? Alright, not much coming from Eric. Let's see the birds.
Oh, here they go.
There's the net that the dumb kids threw down. We have birds. We have birds. We have a bird that hit the window. I think the bird.
Is it dead? Oh no, did it die?
Did it hit the window?
Okay, poor little bird. You're gonna be okay.
Oh my God.
He's a little scared, folks. He's definitely been in there too long. Alright, we're gonna release this one into the wild. Coming to you live. Alright, little guy.
I'm leaving the door open.
We're gonna.
Just leave him alone.
Alright, fly away, little bird. I think he's hurt.
Oh.
It looks like he's in pain.
You want to document the other birds coming out? I don't think he's the next one.
Coming to you live. Aaron Zeesh. We got more birds.
We got another one. Here she comes.
It's coming.
I think they can fly.
Alright.
Don't let it crap on me.
Here, take that one outside. Are you kidding me?
Take that.
Oh, forget it. I'm not. Nice, Aaron.
Not quite the best flyer yet.
Fly. Why'd you
He's
throw
happy.
it off?
Alright, let's get some more birds. Coming to you live. This is Aaron Zeesh. We got more birds. Man, they're feisty.
Your armpit's really nice.
Thank you.
I definitely showed my lack of manhood right there.
Can I just say that these things have been in here way too long? I think he's actually hurt because he flew into a window.
I think this is a second generation. This is like grandparents.
You want a glove so you can get up there? And...
Man, they really don't want to leave this vent.
What kind of bird are they?
Alive?
Well, those look like different ages.
Alright, we're going to let this little guy go. It's time that he goes into the wild.
I think he's really in pain.
I think so too, but it's his fault he flew into a dang wall.
Oh no, don't come back in.
Well, yes. Just be patient, little guy.
Don't hurt him.
Let go. Let go.
He just wants you to be friends with him.
Let go.
Here, I'll get one. You get the other.
That one really hurt. Alright, more birds coming to you live from Wichita, Kansas. He's an angry elf.
Be gentle with him.
Coming to you live. How do you feel about being stuck in that vent? Oh, nice. He didn't like the interview. He was underneath the couch. Coming to you live.
One more?
Hey, get out of there, little guy.
He's under your couch.
Get out of there, little boy. Get out of there.
There he is. There you go.
Come on.
He's right by Rhonda now. Literally.
Come on. Get out of the house, little guy.
You got another one?
Yeah. Okay, just like
They're out the back.
Turn the back.
Their little family's out there.
Where's the heart one?
On the table.
Hi. How do you feel about being stuck in there? He doesn't look very happy.
Oh, Eric, dimwit.
All right.
Oh, and there's another over here.
How's it feel to be stuck in there all that time?
I don't think they can really. Harry, don't touch him.
All right.
I don't know if we all got them all.
I don't think this one's okay.
No.
All right.